say all of this
No.
happened. So you clearly banged her.
Well, I look
Oh, well, I'm
sunburned.
happy for
I
you,
still look
darling. You seem
sunburned,
very
babe.
happy.
Still look sunburned.
What?
I mean, I was doing photos, and they looked really good.
What was
Thank
the
you.
poo?
That was lovely. Thank you. I look. My skin is either brown or it's just really good at the moment. I don't know. I like my skin. It's nice.
Okay.
I, I look good in photos right now, and I'm like for the first time. I'm like, oh, I do actually look alright. So that's good.
The
Like, I'm really
lighting, darling. The lighting.
that's boosting
That
myself.
Thai lighting. The Thai sunshine. Doing wonders for your complexion.
When like if you weren't working, you'll have to come down next time. Oh, we. I was thinking like, hold on a minute.
Don't lose your train of thought.
No,
Come on.
I was just thinking, what the hell's that? Oh, did you hear that?
Train of thought. You always do
Did you hear that?
this. What?
Did you hear that?
No.
That
What was
rumbling,
that?
thunder.
Is that?
Sounds like a bloody train. Literally a train. Oh,
So where's Morgan?
In an hour.
Morgan! Are you gorgeous?
Hello.
Oh, well, look at you two getting cozy on the sofa.
What's that?
I said you two look awfully cozy on that sofa. How is it then, finally meeting General after all these months?
Oh no. It's
What's he
it's nice.
like in real life?
What's that?
What is he like in real life?
It's just the same.
yeah, I'm the same. Isn't it? I'm just the same. I'm chill. So, I think I got more confidence on my beard though.
You
I've
what?
got more beard. I've grown my beard back as well, which has helped me a lot.
No, what, you're gonna grow it back totally? Don't grow it back
I don't
long.
know. Maybe not. I don't know.
Trim it up a bit, babe. It's getting a bit scraggly.
Scraggly, good though. Helping.
No, you don't want to have fucking whiskers like an old man.
Not whiskers, like cat.
You've got whiskers already. Look at you.
Right,
Look at your lip. Look at your lip. They're literally coming down onto your lip.
I know, it's sexy.
You need to get at least. You need to fucking cut them. Did you not even
You
have
want to be,
a trim
you want to
Morgan
be,
coming?
you want to be tickled when you kiss me. It's fun.
What, me? You should be saying that to Morgan.
She's not ready yet. My nose is playing up, man. My nose is actually being weird. Have they got any? They haven't given us any napkins.
So let me get this straight. So if Morgan's not ready, does that mean that sparks haven't been flying in Thailand?
I'm chilling. I'm not doing anything forceful. I'm not the type of person to force you, am I?